Hello, today I am unboxing the new Windows 365 Link. This is a small device from Microsoft that connects directly to your Windows 365 cloud PC, meaning your computer actually runs in the cloud instead of on a device itself. Instead of running programs locally, like a normal computer, this device connects you directly to your cloud desktop, so everything runs on Microsoft's cloud infrastructure. Let's open this box up and see what we have inside. So here it is. This is the box, and we see here we have this book, and it says Windows 365 Link. And inside we have the setup manual, as well as the different ports on the back here. Put this right down here. And here it is, the actual Windows 365 Link. It has a beautiful, sleek design, and we'll go over what's on here. On the back here, we have the different ports. We have here the USB-C, USB-A display ports. This is the HDMI, Ethernet, and the power. And we see here we have the audio jack, another USB-A, and this is power. And this is for if you want to make sure it stays stable on a desk. So here it is. And the awesome thing about it is that once connected to a monitor and the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, this device logs you straight into your Windows 365 cloud desktop. See what else we have in here. Here we have power. All we do is connect this here, and then we just simply connect it like that. When you plug it in, it's already good to go. The idea behind the Windows 365 Link is that your actual PC runs in the cloud. This device is just a secure way to access it. That makes it great for businesses, remote work, and environments where security and centralized management are important. So that was the Windows 365 Link unboxing video. I hope you enjoy and have a nice day.